Let's make the perfect white rice every time. This white rice is easy to make and pairs with absolutely anything. It is the perfect side. So the first thing you want to do is put your water in the pot, and then you're going to wash your rice to get out that extra starch. We will be rinsing our rice at least 3 times. You want to rinse it until the water is clear. See, we're just setting it up. My husband is washing it very well. Personally, I don't think it's a harm to not wash your rice, but we definitely wash our rice over this side of town. My husband is just placing his hand under the rice that is draining so that we don't waste any rice. But if you have the rice calendar, you can definitely use that so that no rice is wasted. That was the second wash, and now this is the final wash. See, the water is clear by this stage. It's not super clear, but it's getting there. This is the final rinse we're doing, but if you want to do it one more time, you can if you want a clearer water than what we're going to have. But 3 rinse is just right. So add your water to the pot, add a stick of butter, place it on the stove. When the butter is melted, just give it a stir and cover it, and don't touch it until it's fully steamed. When it is finished, just give it a nice fluff, and there you have it. Quick and easy white rice recipe. For this recipe, we are pairing it with some curry goat. So we're just plating it nice for a nice presentation. And now I'm just going to add that curry goat. If you want the curry goat recipe, it will be linked in the cards. And that is it. This is how you cook quick and easy white rice that pairs perfectly with every dish. This is the perfect side dish for any recipe you desire. Comment below what you would pair with this white rice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.